Have you ever wished someone could give you a clear, defined path to make the income you've always wanted? Well, let me introduce you to our 6-figure guaranteed income strategy. Using the power of you combined with our daily guaranteed income and our presidential bonuses, MWR Financial has created one of the easiest to achieve 6-figure residual income strategies in the industry. Here's how it works. Let's say you decided to take total control of your income by enrolling just 12 qualified financial directors yourself. This would immediately qualify you for $600 per month or $7,200 per year in daily guaranteed income. But it gets even better, because when those 12 enroll an average of just 5 each, who enroll 3 each, who enroll just 2 each, this would give you a team of 612 QFDs. And as you can see, with as few as 584 on your team, you could be earning $6,000 per month in daily guaranteed income, while also qualifying for level 3 of our presidential bonuses for another $2,500 per month. That's $8,500 per month, or a total of $102,000 per year to you. Oh, and as an added bonus, this would also qualify you for Tier 3 of our Luxury Vehicle Club bonuses. That would be another $3,000 per month in your pocket towards the luxury vehicle and/or home of your choice. In other words, 12, 5, 3, 2 can create $102,000 per year for you to use for whatever you want, while your car and home are being paid for by MWR Financial. In other words, we've taken the guesswork out of creating the income you've always dreamed of by giving you a proven, predictable, and profitable roadmap to success. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today.